Alright, we've turned the other end. Now we're going to knurl this one end and get it ready for cut. Not doing good here. Okay, I'll back them off and get me a rag and wipe it. It looks pretty good. Oh yeah, that's what we need. Obviously we're going to cut this off to the width we want here in just a second. Now, let's get us a brush. I've done that more than one time. Now, why you buy a lot of brushes? That ain't the first time that old Jim's stuck his brush in. Alright, again, I'm not going to worry about facing this off because you'll see what we're going to do here in a little while. Such a surface of cutting work, you wouldn't believe it. I've got probably over a gallon and a half of it that I've had for a long time. Can't see giving it up. While you're on the camera, we'll see what we're going to do with this. We're going to try to thread it. May have to deburr it. We'll have to deburr that, knock that bar off because I want to thread it through from the other side. Alright, you don't need to see what's on the camera. Okay, we have the threaded the brass pieces done. I'll stick one under the camera before we do the machining. You know, I mean, they're not done. What we've done is we've machined them, and now that's nuts just to hold it. We got it locked tight, so we're going to face everything off, and that's the reason why I'm using the brass shafts. Okay. Now we're going to, these aluminum pieces are going to be for the back knobs to hold it. I'm going to drill and tap them using like a cam lock. probably stick these back in the lathe and do a light face on them after we finish cutting. Well, you're going to have to do something a little different. We're hitting, I don't know if that's going to be true. Yep. We're actually hitting the chuck jaws with the cutoff tool, the screw top of it. So now we got to try to back up 5 and punt, which is always fun. Okay, we got the 2 aluminum blanks cut. We're going to put them in, face them right quick both ways. Face them up, true them up a little bit. We're going to use these 4s these are going to be just used to little bearing action there. Just double check through. These are just going to be like cams, so while I have the lathe in low speed cutoff mode, I want to go ahead and cut them bad boys off. All we're going to do here is, again, they're close to size, so size is not going to be a that issue here. We're just going to take a light cut, kind of fill them up. Sometimes you just this facing tool I'm using, you have to kind of work with it a little bit. Sometimes I don't know why that. All right there. Now that's got a little dig right there, but we're not going to concern ourselves with that. Okay. Now we just turn him over. Well, fast. I might have to take the. That didn't come. I don't like that. I don't know what's going on. We're going to get another tool and run it again right quick, because I don't like that little knot right there. Where's the roller? Roller. Okay, turn it around. I don't care about this. Let me hit that. There we go. That's what we want. Nice and smooth. Turn him over. And then just sort of grab him a little bit. Roll up. Pretty close. Like I said, this is, I mean, if it's a little bit crooked, it's not going to matter. All this is for is to be the inside cam lock for the doors. That's why it's this flat piece of aluminum. this is not a precision. There we go. These are the inside cams. Those inside the door. There's one down, one to go. And we'll finish these inside cams off, and we'll take a break. And we're going to take a break this morning. I got to take the JD at the groomer. So. So I'm putting, by the way, I'm putting the block on a rag here behind you. Okay. Excuse me, babe. Let me get it out of the bag because I'm gonna fix it quick. Go take JD to the room. What? No, I had it in a plastic bag. I'm saying that, okay, we're going to take us a break, go to the house, and call it a day. So here's what we've got done so far. These here are the, now they're just waiting to be faced off. They're pretty much locked. So we're going to face these off, and these are the cams. When these will screw in and have nuts. So basically all we got to do is face these off. So that'll be the end of that. Okay.